just watching the game right now. And my son always leaving his cars nicely parked somewhere. Hey guys, um, I got my package, and I'm so happy about it. I did open it, but I haven't opened it all the way. So it's my anniversary, my husband and I anniversary, the end of this month, and I decided to buy something as a family together because why not? You know, the price was awesome for these three things that I bought. It was really good. Jay, come here. This is my cat Ginger. He likes to be everywhere. I am. Anyways, so I bought one for myself, him, and my son. Because why not? You know, I wanted to celebrate this anniversary as a family. So it's you know, when you buy things for somebody anniversary, if you're buying it for your other significant, you usually just buy it for the person. But I wanted to celebrate this anniversary as a family because he gave me a son. My husband gave me a son, so I appreciate my husband and I love my son. And I was part of that whole show too. So let me show you. All right, Gingy, hold on. I got Hey Dudes for the whole family. And I know what I picked already, but I can't wait to see it in real life. That sounds so stupid. I can't wait to see it and feel it. Tell me those are not the cutest shoes. So these ones are mine. The picture didn't do no justice. Oh my god. And I got white feet and they said they fit white feet. I can't wait to put them on. They are so cute. I love them. Okay, those are mine. I got my husband Hey Dudes before and for Christmas last year, and he loves Hey Dudes. So he said he wanted something new. He said he wanted new Hey Dudes, so I just bought another pair. And he actually got to pick this one. Oh, I'm watching the game. It's Eagle and the Giants. I like this. I really do. They're so soft, but this is the one that he picked.
That was a nice little wrinkle there.
Nice picked.
The defensive player to block for these speedy halfbacks.
Well, the Eagles knew what they were doing when they added him to this offense with Hurts and A.J. Brown and creativity. He might be the best thing to happen to Philadelphia since Ben Franklin.
These are cool. All right. Dinosaurs. He loved dinosaurs, so that's why I got this type.
Local surf legend died and she's the last one to touch a body.
I had them in my arms.
Dinosaurs. He's gonna love these. I think this for 3 pairs of shoes. I think this is a good deal. Let's try them out. Yes, yes, yes. New shoes. Who's this? Just like